While clashes and violence that were erupted in the JNU campus, which is Jawaharlal Nehru University, where tensions flared last evening during the Durga Puja idol demolition ceremony, with the ABVP alleging that left-wing students hurled stones and wooden blocks at the procession and physically assaulted a female participant. Now, this incident reportedly took place near the JNU Sabarmati Tea Point at around 7 p.m. last evening, where this confrontation was first witnessed near the Barak hostel area, where the ABVP students burned Ravan effigy with posters of Sharjeel Imam, Omar Khalid and Afzal Guru pasted on it. Now, this was objected to by the left students who staged a demonstration in protest. The left-wing protest then moved to Sabarmati Tea Point, where the Durga Puja procession was scheduled to pass. ABVP alleges that the left-wing students attacked the procession, displayed slippers to it and even tried to damage the Durga idol.
2nd of October, a day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi, who told the world about the idea of non-violence. But it's an irony that at Jawaharlal Nehru University, today in the late night, violence scuffle basically broke out between two groups of students. The two groups are also currently protesting. On this side, we see how the ABVP, the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, is raising slogans. On the right side of the frame, you also see how the left-wing students, be it the ISA, SFI or DSF, is protesting and raising the slogans. Now, this entire incident unfolded around 7:30 or 8 in the evening when a Durga procession, the Durga idol immersion procession, was going out of the campus. Now, ABVP and the students of the Durga Committee alleged that their student union of the left wing was standing in the midway and tried to block their way and also physically assaulted a lot of students. They are also alleging that wooden blocks have been thrown at them and the idols was being shown slippers. Responding to these allegations, the left-wing students and also the president of Jawaharlal University Student Union, Nitish Kumar, who comes from ISA, a left-wing branch, a left-wing party, has said that this is all a complete farce. There was no violence being taken, there was no scuffle that actually happened. There were just slogans being raised by both the sides, and slippers were not shown to the idol but to the students in retaliation of the slippers that were shown by the ABVP students in the first chance. So now it is up to the administration to respond how this entire situation will pan out and who is the actual culprit or the victim at this particular place.
इन्होंने अपने यूजुअल जो वो एंटी नेशनल प्रोग्राम्स करते रहते हैं वैसे ही प्रोग्राम आज उन्होंने आयोजित किया था, लेकिन वो आयोजित किया था बराक हॉस्टल पर। जब इन्हें लगा कि आज एक दुर्गा पूजा का प्रोसेशन भी जा रहा है, विसर्जन का प्रोसेशन भी जा रहा है और वो इग्नो पैदा कर सकते हैं, एक ऑब्स्टिकल पैदा कर सकते हैं, तो उन्होंने विदाउट एनी नोटिस अपना जो प्रोग्राम है वो शिफ्ट करके टी पॉइंट पे कर दिया। टी पॉइंट वो पहले से तकरीबन 300-400 की संख्या में इकट्ठा थे और मैं कह दूं कि सिर्फ यहाँ जेएनयू के स्टूडेंट्स नहीं थे, उसमें बाहरी बुलाए हुए गुंडे, जिनके वामपंथी गुंडे हैं, वो भी इसमें उपस्थित थे। जब प्रोसेशन तकरीबन 1500 लोगों का प्रोसेशन वहां से गुजर रहा था, उन्होंने पथराव शुरू किया मूर्ति की तरफ, मूर्ति को खंडित करने का पूरा प्रयास किया। वो कुछ पत्थर मूर्तियों पे भी लगे, कुछ पत्थर छात्र छात्राओं पे भी लगे। उन्होंने मूर्ति की तरफ चप्पल भी दिखाए, उन्होंने नारे लगाए, महिषासुर जिंदाबाद के नारे लगाए और अपने शर्जील और उमर खालिद जैसे आतंकियों के सपोर्ट में नारे लगाए और प्रयास किया कि ऐसी धार्मिक उन्माद, धार्मिक डिफरेंशिएशन, पोलराइजेशन कैंपस में पैदा किया जा सके।
Now, the statement issued by the ABVP reasoned as to why they use posters of Sharjeel, Umar and Afzal Guru as far as when it comes to being pasted on Ravan's effigy. The statement says that the message they wanted to convey was the symbolic destruction of anti-national ideologies. But the left-wing students protested against the depiction, claiming that Sharjeel and Umar have been wrongly put in prison and they cannot be compared to Ravan. They have also hailed the jailed former JNU students as constitution defenders. Speaking to Times Now, the president of the JNU Student Union, which is dominated by the left, refuted the allegations that the left-wing students indulged in violence.
पहली बात मैं बता रहा हूँ कि सबसे पहला जो पोस्टर आया जिसमें हमने देखा कि आज विजयादशमी के दिन उमर खालिद, शर्जील इमाम जो इस कैंपस के स्टूडेंट्स थे और जिनको गलत तरीके से 5 सालों तक आज जेलों में बंद किया गया है, उनको रावण बता करके उनका पुतला दहन का कॉल आया एंड दैट वाज अननेम्ड पर्चा विच इज नॉट रिटन बाय एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और एनी पीपल। बट उसके बाद जब हमने ये देखा तो JNU की तरफ से प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट और जनरल सेक्रेटरी के कॉल पे हमने इसको रजिस्टर करते हुए कॉल दिया, क्योंकि हम ये मानते हैं कि उमर खालिद और सरजील इमाम जो इस कैंपस के स्टूडेंट थे, उन्होंने इस देश की संविधान को बचाने का, दे आर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिफेंडर, वहाँ पे हम लोग का प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा था इसी बात को लेकर के कि आप जो कर रहे हैं, ABVP जो इस कैंपस में कर रहा है वो गलत काम है। और उधर से फिर विसर्जन हो रहा था और उसमें दोनों तरफ से नारेबाजी हुई, उन्होंने भी नारेबाजी की और हमारा जो प्रोसेशन चल रहा था हमारी नारेबाजी हुई। दे ट्राइड टू
नारेबाजी में क्या हुआ? उनका कहना है कि महिषासुर को लेके अच्छे महिषासुर जिंदाबाद करके नारे लगाए गए, या दुर्गा माता को डिसरेस्पेक्ट करते हुए दुर्गा माता के आइडल को अटैक करने की ये सब अटेम्प्ट हुए, ये उनकी तरफ से एलिगेशन है, ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
ऑब्वियसली वो एलिगेशन लगाएंगे और ये उनका पहला काम नहीं है, ऐतिहासिक रूप से वही काम कर रहे हैं। और
Now, in related updates, the ABVP and the left groups have clashed at the JNU, where the JNU Student Union blames ABVP for the clash, where JNU Students Union have been calling this as politically motivated. And Ravan Dahan, when it happened, according to the ABVP, stones were pelted and then attack was also made when it comes to the procession that was carrying the Durga idol. Let's get in a word from Kritika now. Kritika, good morning. When we are looking at these blame game there, the pictures that have been coming in last evening from the JNU campus, first tell us about how this morning's conditions really are, because we are looking at the ABVP, which is now blaming the left. Meanwhile, the left organizations accuse the ABVP of using religion for political propaganda.
Well, yes, currently, in fact, we are reporting from the JNU campus as well. And as of this morning, the situation appears to be a little calm. But remember, yesterday, the Joint Secretary for the Student Union of the JNU, who comes from ABVP, Mr. Veena, had said that they would be going to the police to file a complaint. No such complaint has been filed so far. But what the left union also has to say, in fact, early in the morning, they had released this statement around 1 in the morning today, that it was, in fact, ABVP, which is lying. They were the one who was doing this politically motivated, in fact, Shobha Yatra. Their intention, as far as the left students are concerned, they say it was only against the burning of Ravan effigies with the pictures of Sharjeel Imam and Umar Khalid, ex-students of, former students of the JNU, which these students hail as the defenders of Constitution. So this is, in fact, the stem of the issue of the clash, which the JNU SU is now released in a clarification. In fact, what they are alleging now is that the ABVP people in the Shobha Yatra present yesterday were raising slogans of Godse ki Jai as well as Sharjeel Imam ko Faasi do. So in fact, these are the visuals from early this morning. On the gate also you can see a big flyer, in fact, of a Mahapuja Samiti as far as the Durga Puja procession is concerned. Now, what the JNU Student Union, as of their latest statement, is clarifying is that their entire protest was against the burning of effigies that carried the faces of former students and of the left ideology related people as well. It had nothing to do with the Durga Visarjan, the Durga idol Visarjan. In fact, they're saying that for many
were reported on part of these protests that happened during the procession of the Durga idol immersion, that we are looking at the left accusing the ABVP of using religion as a political propaganda through the Ravan Dahan program. Thank you very much, Kritika, for joining us with those live updates. In the meantime,